So I'm out here on a really cold and really windy day to talk to you about a microphone and why you should have a windscreen for your microphone. Now, here's my microphone. Well, this is my microphone back here. Ordinarily, this would be on top of my camera mounted onto the shoe flash, but I'm holding it in my hand now just to show you what I'm talking about and why a windscreen or a dead cat, not a dead cat, but a dead cat, is so important in situations like this. The dead cat windscreen basically goes right over the microphone. It's fuzzy. There's different kinds of windscreens. The reason they call this a dead cat is because it's the fuzzy kind. So it kind of looks like a cat. I don't know why it has to be dead, but this is what it looks like. So, and this goes right over the microphone and is supposed to prevent the sound of the wind from picking up in the microphone. So let's take it off and hear what it sounds like. So now this is the microphone without the dead cat. You can probably hear all the sounds of the wind rushing past and everything. I'm going to listen to this later. Hopefully I'm right. And that's why you want a windscreen. So let me put the windscreen back on now. You can hear exactly what it sounds like and how much of a difference it makes. That's better. So a windscreen, a dead cat, something like this, covering your microphone is going to make a huge difference when you're outside. Even if there's just a little bit of wind blowing through, the sound of that wind picking up on a microphone is going to distract the listener, and it's just going to make it sound, like bad audio. So you definitely want some kind of a windscreen on your microphone, whether it's a fuzzy one like this. You can call it whatever you want. It's a windscreen. It's definitely going to help out your audio. So you definitely want to make sure that you have something like this if you're ever going to be shooting outdoors. So that's just a quick audio tip. I'm going to put a link to this microphone in the description below so you can check it out. It's a really great mic. We use it for all of our audio stuff. Check it out, definitely. I'm going to put links here to other videos that we did regarding audio and video vlogging, stuff like this, so you can check those out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.